Why is it so difficult to fly aircrafts in Antarctica? Airplanes are not common in Antarctica. The reason is simple: the landing process is extraordinarily complicated. With global warming affecting the continent, the runways do not always have enough ice. This is compounded by a problem of intruding penguins on the runways that can cause accidents. Antarctica's airports are unlike traditional airports. Airlines must constantly check the runways. When the temperature exceeds the usual average, the ice becomes unstable, which makes it impossible to land. The airlines are also required to realign the runways every year due to the movement of the ice.